Do you go to high school?
Yes, I go to high school.
What grade are you in?
I am in 10th grade.
How many subjects do you study?
I study 6 subjects.
What is your favorite subject in high school?
My favorite subject is biology.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, I have homework every day.
What time do high school classes start?
Classes start at 8:30 a.m.
How many students are in your class?
There are 25 students in my class.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, my teachers are nice.
Do you take exams in high school?
Yes, we take exams every semester.
What do you do during lunch break?
I eat lunch and talk to my friends.
Do you participate in sports at school?
Yes, I play basketball after school.
Do you have a library in your high school?
Yes, we have a big library.
What is the hardest subject for you?
Math is the hardest subject for me.
Do you have any extracurricular activities?
Yes, I am in the drama club.
Do you wear a uniform in high school?
No, we don't wear uniforms.
How do you study for tests?
I study by reviewing my notes and doing practice questions.
Do you have group projects in high school?
Yes, we often do group projects.
What is your favorite thing about high school?
My favorite thing is spending time with my friends.
Do you have a school counselor?
Yes, we have a counselor to help us.
What do you want to do after high school?
I want to go to college and study engineering.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
What does a doctor do?
A doctor helps sick people.
What does a chef do?
A chef cooks food.
Are you a student?
No, I am not.
What do you want to be?
I work as a driver. I want to be a pilot.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
Is your job hard?
Sometimes it is.
Who is your manager?
My manager is Mr. Smith.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time.
What does an engineer do?
An engineer designs and builds things.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, I do.
Where do teachers work?
Teachers work in schools.
Do you have a lot of meetings?
Yes, we have meetings every week.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Do you have holidays?
Yes, I have holidays in December.
What skills do you need for your job?
I need communication and computer skills.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Paris.
How do you travel?
I travel by plane.
Do you need a passport?
Yes, I need a passport.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I do.
What do you pack for a trip?
I pack clothes and toiletries.
Where did you go last vacation?
I went to the beach.
Do you travel alone?
No, I travel with my family.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place is New York.
How long was your trip?
My trip was 5 days.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the beach.
What is the best time to travel?
Summer is the best time.
Do you like staying in hotels?
Yes, I like hotels.
Do you take many photos when you travel?
Yes, I take a lot of photos.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I enjoy trying new food.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Is it expensive to travel?
Sometimes it is.
Do you like souvenirs?
Yes, I like souvenirs.
Do you plan your trips?
Yes, I always plan my trips.
What is the longest trip you took?
My longest trip was 2 weeks.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Brown.
What time does school start?
School starts at 8 a.m.
What time does school finish?
School finishes at 3 p.m.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have homework every day.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, I wear a uniform.
What do you learn at school?
I learn math, science, and English.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math.
What is your favorite activity at school?
I like playing sports.
Do you have a library at school?
Yes, we have a library.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading books.
What is your least favorite subject?
My least favorite subject is history.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat lunch in the cafeteria.
Do you like science?
Yes, I enjoy science experiments.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is Mr. Lee.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
Do you take tests?
Yes, we take tests every month.
Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I have many friends.
What is marketing?
Marketing is promoting products or services.
Do you work in marketing?
Yes, I do.
What do marketers do?
They advertise and sell products.
Do you need to be creative in marketing?
Yes, creativity is important.
What is an advertisement?
It is a message to promote a product.
Do you use social media for marketing?
Yes, social media is useful.
What is digital marketing?
It is marketing on the internet.
Do you like making ads?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What is a target audience?
It is the group of people who will buy a product.
What is a brand?
A brand is the identity of a company.
Do you like marketing?
Yes, I find it interesting.
What is a slogan?
It is a short and catchy phrase.
Do you work with a team?
Yes, we work as a team.
What is market research?
It is studying the market to understand customers.
Do you sell online?
Yes, we sell on our website.
What is customer feedback?
It is opinions from customers.
Do you make posters for marketing?
Yes, we make posters.